to all the participants, to you, to Spain also, who is really leader in our work. Let me just say some words. I was in Geneva in 2010 at the World Congress Against Death Penalty. And I heard the former president, José Luis Zapatero, in that time he was president of the Spanish government, proposing a new kind of action against the death penalty. And this was the word that created the commission that I belong from the beginning now, during all these 10 years. So we owe much to Spain, to President Zapatero, and to the ministry. It's a great pleasure to see that over all changes that can take in policy, in political landscape, the fight for abolition is still a cornerstone of Spanish policy internationally, and that it is a heritage of the history of Spain that could not make the steps toward democracy without making this big step also towards human rights. So thank you so much. Let me just say some words about our commission. You heard from Navi Pillay about what we did. Let me just say that we can play a special role, and I think this makes it useful to exist for the International Commission Against the Death Penalty, because we are in an excellent position to speak with NGO, to speak with the highest authorities of the country, to speak with all the people and countries who are mobilized now against the death penalty. So we are a little platform that has possibility to speak with all the actors of this big fight. And this makes it special, this makes it challenging, but this makes it also a great experience. When I think about my 10 years in the Commission, I had the opportunity to speak with president of country, but also with activists on the ground, with lawyers and with people having all kind of experiences. And because we are also rich in different experiences, I think we can play this role as ambassador against the death penalty. So for me, it is a moment, and you have told very well, it's a moment when we can look back on progresses toward our aim, our common aim. But it is also a moment now, just now, where we have to fear backlashes. And for the Commission, it is the most important, perhaps, to help to create tools that avoid backlashes, avoiding to execution. And this is, in my view, perhaps the most important. Such tool exists. It is the second protocol, with a compromise not to abolish immediately, but not to execute and not to go back to execution. It is the moratorium resolution in the UN. And I think we have really to stress these tools, because we have to put the possibility really to cut the possibility to go back for those who have made this step. We cannot expect and accept that a change in a government can reverse the progress made in a country by former governments. And I think this is as important as promoting the abolition itself. Thank you so much.